Create this viral slice effect in Adobe Illustrator. The best thing in this tutorial is that you can change the background color and it will not affect the sliced text effect. Even you can apply gradient and will get the same result. I welcome you to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Let's start by creating a new document. You can choose any document size you want. First thing first, let's make a background. Grab the rectangle tool, click once on the artboard, add the height and width of the background same as the artboard size, and then click OK. Place the rectangle in center horizontally and vertically. Select a darker fill color for the background to get the best result. Grab the type tool, click once on the artboard and add the desired text. Resize the text by holding Shift key. Select the fill color for text. Change the font style. You can use heavy font for best result. Here I am using a black italic version. Align the text in center of the document. Right click and select Create Outlines. Now grab the line segment tool. Draw a line where you want to slice the text. You can adjust the line using Direct Selection tool. Now go to Object, Path and then select Divide Object below. The text is sliced. Now click Ungroup. As you can see, the background is also sliced, which we do not need to be sliced. So delete this background, grab the rectangle tool, click once on the artboard and then click OK. Right click and select Send to Back. Align in center. Go to Object and lock the background. Select the upper part of the sliced text and make it group. Now repeat the same with the lower part. Move it to a little bit right side using the right arrow button from the keyboard. Double click on the gradient tool. Click on the gradient. Set the dark side opacity to 0. Set the angle to 90 degree. Change the position of the lighter text to 50%. If you have any question, tell me in the comment section below. I will definitely answer that. Our design is ready. Now here is the fun part. Unlock the layer. I will show you when I change the background, it does not affect the slice effect. Now change the background color to any of your favorite color. Please subscribe the channel if you have learned something new. You can also add gradient background and adjust it according to your choice. If you like this effect, then please like the video and also subscribe the channel. Tell me in the comment below which tutorial you want next.